every week when I make these videos is not only to try to help and encourage you as San Antonio agents, but also to make my videos a little less boring than they were the week before. I have an agent friend in the industry who actually called me one time and said, "Hey Sarah, congrats, your videos are getting a little less worse every week." And I think he was trying to be nice. It was his way of encouraging me, I guess. Not really sure. But what I wanted to talk to you about today hopefully will bore you a little less than it did last week. And it is just a quick continuation on TikTok and other social media platforms. So last week, if you watched my video, I proposed the question of, do agents need TikTok to stay relevant? And the answer, I think, is probably yes, that it's worth a shot. It depends on who you're trying to market to and what kind of audience you're trying to target. But I think if you are looking at the next generation of buyers, they are on TikTok right now. I talked about the fact that people are hanging out online like we never have before, even more so because of all of the things going on in our world. So if you're thinking about TikTok, I wanted to just give you a little more encouragement today on maybe what to post on TikTok and maybe a way to sort of break it out so that it's a little more manageable for you. So as you know, if you are already on the platform, TikTok videos are only 15 seconds long unless you mash them up, and then they're about 60 seconds long. So I think that's very manageable. I wouldn't get bogged down in all of the special effects that you can do with TikTok. I think there's enough out there that if your content is good and engaging, you don't have to have all the bells and whistles. I also wouldn't worry about your TikTok videos being absolutely perfect before you post them. Like attracts like. So if you start to post videos about pets because you're crazy about your pet, then people who also love pets are going to start to watch your videos. Just make sure that you're always including the fact that you're somehow also connected to the world of real estate in the San Antonio area, even if it's just through hashtags. I would also make sure that you decide maybe 3 different areas that you're going to post on TikTok. So 1 would maybe be about your pets, 2 would be about your listings, and then 3 would just be about your hustle, right? What are you doing every day to wake up and move your business forward? I think people will appreciate that. And then try to make it fun and engaging and unique so that it reflects who you are and what you're about, which is what I try to do with these YouTube videos. And also is why I try to make them a little less boring than the week before, right? So anyway, I'm Sarah with SATITLEGIRL. Hope this has helped you and encouraged you. I really want to know, again, if you're using TikTok. If you are, comment below and let me know how you're using TikTok. Make sure to like this video. I post new videos every Monday at 9 or 10 a.m., just depending on what's going on. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate your support. And if you need to get a hold of me for any reason, you can follow me on, or you can find me rather on Instagram or Facebook at SATITLEGIRL. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.